Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're at Siesta Key in Sarasota, Florida. Yep, so we're at one of the really nice beaches here. It's our first time going to a beach in Florida, like as Floridians, so we're definitely excited to go ahead and check this out. I believe the sand is supposed to be really nice and the water is supposed to be crystal blue. We brought our GoPro and our drone with us. Maybe we could take flight today, so let's go check this out. Wow. This is beautiful, honey. Jeez. Yeah, the sand is really light and fluffy, as they say. It's crazy. I can't wait to get down closer to the water. We still have a decent walk, but it's relatively crowded here. They're doing parasailing out there. Check out how beautiful this is, guys. Crazy. Yeah, this is a great spot, honey. Fishing boats are out there, parasailing. Wow. So beautiful. I want to take you guys down. You can see how clear this water is. Wow. Look, you can see your feet. This is as advertised. Beautiful beaches. It's a little chilly. Wow. You can see them out there parasailing in the distance. This is Siesta Key in Sarasota, Florida. The water here is absolutely beautiful. I think when we got here it was about 86 degrees, and this is for February. What's today? February 10th, honey, or 9th?
I don't know. I've lost track of the dates since we moved.
Yeah, today's February 9th or 10th. This is Wednesday.
Is it? Yes,
yeah.
it is.
This is absolutely beautiful.
Look how far out the people are.
Yeah, the people are going out pretty far. They're out there throwing the football around.
I'd rather not be shark bait, so I'm content where I'm at.
No, I'm gonna go in a bit further, but look, you can see your feet. How awesome. I think I'm gonna switch out this camera and go grab the GoPro real quick. All right, so we're gonna make our way into the water here. You can actually see, this is probably a good 1.5 feet deep. The sand, like the ripples in the sand, as well as your feet. Craziness. This is only about 2 hours from our apartment in Claremont. Let's head in a little bit deeper here. Ooh, a little bit chilly. Feels good though. Let's go ahead and dip you guys in the water. We'll see if we can see anything. Any type of fish. Did you guys catch anything down there? Where did he go? Flew away? Oh, that's awesome. It was just a pelican that just jumped into the ocean. It was fully submerged for a fish. That is so cool. Look how beautiful out here, guys. This is incredible. So beautiful today. Geez, the clouds in the backdrop, the nice hotels and condos. These are like white powdery beaches, emerald green water. They have a tour boat right over there where they're doing parasailing. We're having such a great time here at Siesta Key. Check out the beautiful view. We swam for a bit. Hopefully the GoPro footage came out really good. Maybe you guys got to see a fish or something cool in the water. I'm gonna take you guys up front. We'll check some more of the entrance area up here at the Siesta Key. Up here's the sign, Sarasota, Florida, Siesta Beach, #1 beach in the USA. So beautiful. They even have a bunch of picnic tables here where you can make sandwiches and have a little cookout. Or just bring your sandwich and sit under this awning.
I guess normal times they have hair wraps there. There's beach rentals.
Yeah, beach rentals. Where they got lotion, towels, beach toys, drinks, and snacks. Right there in that shack. Hair wraps you get done there. This is kind of like a Bahamas feel. I love it. Oh, honey, over here. We can, they have a spot here to rinse your feet off. Get all the sand off of your feet. Beach rentals.
If you're anything like my husband, rinse your feet off, then put your socks and sneakers back on.
Check out all the beautiful palm trees and whatnot upon entering Siesta Key. Lots of people riding their bikes. It's so beautiful here. Alright guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit that bell notification. We had a great time here in Siesta Key. We strongly encourage you guys to check that out if you're ever in the area of Sarasota here and you're looking for a beach to go to. And as always, make today awesome.